your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Hellcat Slick Rick. Gonna bring y'all another video, man. I done pulled up on your boy Hellgotti first car meet of 2020, man. Finna show y'all, put this camera, what's going on. Real something going on right there. Real something going on right here. Mustang got out there, ain't know what he was doing. Hey man, y'all ain't seen that joint right there, man. Mustang that got out there, ain't know what he was doing, man. Let me go and get this mask back on. Hey, I also got baby GT with me. Y'all see what's going on. We gonna get this. Gonna get it going on, man. All right, so man, y'all gonna peep what's going on, man. It's your boy YouTube 2J2 Live on the Daytona thing, man. Y'all peep it out what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Now the Hellcat pulling out right there. Y'all see what's going on, man. 4G Auto is on the feet. Peep that, man. Let me adjust that thing real quick. Oh yeah, we good right there. Oh yeah, y'all see what's going on. Peep the feet. Peep that feet. Oh yeah, wide body thing too. Oh, that's a 2020. No, that's a 2020 thing. Who is it? Who this is right here? Oh, y'all already know who this is, man. This is Captain America, man. He went all out on the thing, man. He got that ramp going, engine bay light going. And he just started his tube channel too, man. So make sure y'all go and get that boy subscribed, man. Got a whole lot of music playing out here. Y'all peep what's going on. Oh, I didn't know he did this. Oh yeah, y'all see what's going on. He ain't got that YouTube sticker on there yet, but here's just what it looks like, man. This what we looking at right here. Then he got that ha-ha, laugh at me now, cry later. Laugh now, cry later, man. Oh yeah, man. Got that thing in right. Got the red and the red. Peep the flow mats down there on the diamond stitching. Oh yeah. Got that thing out there. Oh boy, slap me in the face, man. Alright, y'all peep this thing that's going on right. I ain't gonna try to do too much talking. I'm just gonna put a little music background in so y'all see what's going on. Man, I was missing all of that footage. Gotta come and get it, man. So what's going on? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, man.
Yeah. All this copyright music out here playing, nigga. Exactly. Gotta cut all this out. All right, Corey, I had to pull the camera out, man. I just couldn't do it no more, man. Man, shoot, man. Y'all peep my boy out right here, man. This is called On the Tube, boy. Y'all check him out. Lights spinning and everything, man. Y'all keep this right here, boy. Hardest RT out here in the game, man. Make sure I get at my boy at that Corey mode. Peep the design. Peep that design. Y'all ain't seeing that right there. Y'all ain't seeing that right there. Peep that, man. No limits. If y'all want to get that done, go on and get at it. Like, yeah. Ain't doing nothing. He ain't doing nothing. Starting to run it down for him, Corey, real quick, man.
All I can say is tune in, tap in, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Instagram, CoreyMo_.
Hey, y'all see it?
YouTube, Living with Corey Mo. I got some.
Man,
this
keep the drip, though, man. Don't sleep on his drip.
Hey,
don't sleep on that drip.
Follow the journey. It's finna get crazy.
Yeah,
This just the start.
This just the start. Ain't doing nothing over here. Just a little walk by action, man. Got a whole shit going on. Cars, man. It's a whole, y'all see what's going on, man. It's a whole lot of cars over there. Whole lot of cars over there. And me and baby GT out here walking and thugging this thing. But man, y'all peep the Hellcat game right here, man. Y'all see what's going on. With them Viper wheels on there. 2019 look like. And y'all already know what's going on from this one. I got one just like this at the crib. Like this right here. What year this one? 81? 80? I have an 81 at the house. Just like this one. Mine's maroon red with the stripes on it. Man, I love these type of cars. Man. I adore it. How long you had it?
26.
Ooh! Yeah, I only had mine for like 10.
I just recently went through it.
Really? Oh, that's good. Man, I love it.
383 stroke motor.
Ooh. Okay.
700 R4 training.
Oh yeah, you doing something. Oh yeah, you doing it, man. I like it, man. Keep it up. Oh, Z28, y'all already see what's going on with it. Oh yeah, see. A lot of people don't know that. The hood underneath the, oh yeah.
The air induction works.
Oh, you put some work in this thing. It's, oh yeah. Put some work in there, it's gonna be right. It's gonna be right. Look, man, look good though. For an 80, most people won't understand that how clean that looks good for that age of the car. Cause mine look just like that. And I be telling people I'm trying to pretty much like chrome it out to make it look good, but it's just so much you got to go into it to do it. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Die. Oh, what we got over here, man? Little Marrow gang going on. Well, I'm finna break me a sweat. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. Like I say, man, I'm trying to get everything on here, but I'm trying to do a nice little breeze walk by right here, man. I gotta show people on this one right here. This thing nice, man. Gladiator right here, man. That Scat pack, hard thing, basic, but it's dope. Keep them out, man. Make sure y'all get Adam down there. Focus. There it is. Still ain't focusing. There it is. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, we out here. We out here. Gotta peep my boy. Wait a minute, I knew you. Wait a minute. What a car at, man?
At the house.
Oh man. Kobe, man, you gotta stop hitting shit, bro.
Man, I ain't hitting that, bro.
I was like, I knew that nigga sitting over there. I'm like, nah, that ain't Kobe. And I'm looking, I said, alright, that gotta be that nigga nine. Man, bro. I ain't think it was gonna be a turnout like this.
Yeah, me either, bro.
Yeah.
I really wasn't even gonna record till.
Me either.
Honestly, it was like, bro, record, bro.
Man, shoot, while we here, why not? Only thing that stopped me was having him, cause he gonna keep hitting the camera on my hand, man. That boy really got on. Take that thing down a little bit, man. Y'all see Roy P on 24s, man. That Zebra action, doing his thing, his thug thizzle. Got them beanie doors on there, you know. Peep that interior stitching though. Peep that stitching. Oh yeah. Peep that stitching. Peep that stitching, man. But y'all give him, y'all going and do it, man. Get that boy a follow on the tube. Yeah. And then peep out the vet with the guinea doors on this thing right here, man. Like, yeah, man. Oh, okay, I see you. Okay. Yeah. Man, you got it right. Oh, there it is right there. I see you.
Yeah.
I got you right there. Yeah, man, y'all going to get at him, man. Them guinea doors. Y'all trying to run something. Y'all jump in his DMs. Let him know what's up. Let him know what's up. He about that action. He with that, man. Oh, my bad, bro. My bad, bro. Oh, yeah, we finna cut this short. We finna cut this short right here, man. Keep that thing right there, Hellcat, boys. Y'all see that thing? Y'all see this next Hellcat right here on this one, too, man? Man, I should have put my car over here. D-Badge, RT Hood, 2019 Hellcat good. Scat pack real too, so it might be a Scatty. I don't know what it is. But keep them wheels on it though. Keep that light. see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. Lady Scat. Bag Hellcat all the way down to the ground. Let me cut this one in right here. Whip like Rodilla. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright man, y'all see what's going on? What's that cat name? Y'all see that name? D-bags in the front, carbon fiber hood, Viper wheels on it. But you see one side not a cat, the other side is the cat, boy. No, make sure y'all smart. And he tucked in there. And for people who say he can't go on 315s, that's what 315s look like. Tucked in there perfect. He ain't gotta bang nothing out. Big wheel life. Copper cat on 26s, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the thrill of the movement. Watch that thing flip colors as I walk by, cause it smells like new money. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Big G. Big G. Big G. On them four Giottos. 26s look like it's real, man. Oh yeah. Oh man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Boy, I got that light bar flipping over there. Little Mustang thing. Y'all already seen from the beginning of the video what the Mustang's about. They quick on catching the curve, bro. Big spinners on that thing, man. Y'all see what's going on. Got that chopper style over here too. Yeah. Okay. They finna pull out. Yeah, man, y'all see what's going on. We out here. Slime catting this thing, man. See that thing on bags and he tucked too. Hold on, there we go. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. Ooh, that bitch clean. That bitch clean. Ooh, y'all feet on front, y'all on that boy's feet. Look. Look at everybody before I swing on through. Damn.
Listen, nigga, look here. Y'all want no dealings with us. You got your killers with us. My people tripping the fuck. You ain't affiliated with us. Don't come chilling with us. Niggas out here be disappearing and stuff.
Look, Ghosty B6 at? Man, y'all keep my boy Ghosty B6, man. I don't know where he at. But I ran across his car. Y'all get at him, man. We all charges get that work, man. Y'all keep the details on that thing. What Ghosty B6 at? Yeah, I'm up there. I'm waiting up there. I see y'all pull in, but I'm trying to find y'all.
You was just right here.
That nigga was just right here. That nigga gone.
Hey, where Ghosty go?
That nigga done ran off him.
Oh, he said he recording. He got
damn.
a big red shirt here. You can't miss it.
I can't miss that nigga, man.
He was just right here.
Yeah. Well, this yours right here, right? Which one? No. Yeah. I knew it was one of the maroon ones. I didn't know which one it was.
Stripes reflect.
Yeah, over. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Yeah, no how reflected, bro.
Oh man, wait a minute. They ain't ready for him. ain't ready for him. Then I'm hot, so I'm finna slide on out of here. You hear me now? Let's go. Yeah, put that right there, man.
I'm not your average show, baby. I keep a chocolate, baby. I keep a record, baby. I am the soccer, baby. He not a winner, he lose. I see it too. Love the chocolate and even the shooter. Even Marcus after sooner the booter. Her body so body so body. Never like you know it's what you like it with the automatics. We gon' send them time. Wait. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I move. And she let it clap for a nigga. And she go back for a nigga. Then it seems like
Man, y'all already know. Got a whole bunch of different cars. King Miser himself got that going on there. My boy Miser, man, make sure y'all get at him, man. Got a new car, new rep. This the one that girl ran the red light and hit his car, man. My boy bounced back. My boy bounced back and got him a cat, man, again. Y'all see what's going on, man. We ain't stopping the movement. And y'all already know who this one is right here. Brew. I need somebody to light them tags up. Come on with it. Who is that? Got him? I mean, not got him, Slime. What's up, Slime? Yeah, but that nigga, yeah. That boy shit super loud. This video, man, with your boy Hellcat Slick, man, I'm out of here. Wrap this video on up right here, man. See some dope cars and came out and pulled up for your boy Hellgotti. First car meet, man, out here in the DF Dub area, man. Y'all know it. So like I said, man, it's a rap, Slick, Rick, Hellcat, Slick, all that good stuff. I'm out here, man. Y'all just subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all comment, man, and let your boy know the next mod that's coming to the channel. And then also, do y'all like everybody rap that was out here now? Because what y'all is seeing out there, y'all gonna see a little something out there gonna pop up on this car next. So just remember that every video is a new mod. So stay tuned, stay locked in, stay subscribed, hit that bell so every time I drop something I can pop up on you like whoop whoop.